In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to fetch or pull data from your Supabase database into your app. So first, you will have to make sure that you've already set up your project and connected your front end like React or just plain JavaScript to Supabase using your project's URL and public key. And once you're connected, you will have to go to your database, which you can find on your project and left menu. And now you will have to once you're on your database, you will have to create or check the table where your data lives. Now in your app, you will use a simple method to request data from that table. You don't need a separate backend because Supabase handles it for you. When your app loads or a button is clicked, it sends a request to Supabase, and Supabase sends back the info like usernames, product list, or any data you saved. This is perfect for dashboards, user profiles, or apps that need real-time data. Just make sure that you've allowed read access in your tables policies so that data actually show up. So that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.